What? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, my name is Mackenzie and I go by Mac, and I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every week with my dog Jack. And this is Jack. He is in all of my videos and he is my little helper. So you will be seeing him in all of them. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tutu. I'm actually not a huge fan of tutus. I know, kind of surprising, and I don't mind them, it's just I don't wear them a whole lot. It's become kind of a common clothing item, I guess. Maybe not common, but a lot of people do wear them now. I thought since it was a pretty common tutorial that I would go ahead and show you guys how I made mine. I wasn't like super happy with how it turned out, but it's okay. I'll stand up and show you guys what I'm talking about. So you can see that it's very poofy. It's a little bit poofier than what I was expecting, and it's not like super even at the bottom, but I guess that's what makes it fun and unique. But when you make it yourself, it kind of gets like all tangled and stuff. But overall, I mean, it is super cute. So I'll go ahead and tell you guys before we get started, there is a no-sew version and a sew version, and I did the sew version, which is elastic sewn together. You can hand sew that if you want. I use my machine, it's just really quick and easy. But for the no sew, I would just recommend getting some ribbon and just tying it, and I'll show you guys how to tie the tulle on in the video. So instead of using the elastic, you would just use the ribbon. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is cut your elastic to fit. Now take the ends of your elastic and sew it together. Make sure you backstitch. So for this tutorial, I got 10 yards of tulle and it was barely enough. So the first thing you're going to do is take your tulle and fold it together, and it was 48 inches total length, and I'm going to make my strips 6 inches wide. Now cut all the strips out that you need. So as I'm cutting these, I'm actually going to start putting them on the elastic. So let me show you guys how to tie it on. What you're going to do is take a piece and fold it together. Make sure it's even at the bottom. And then what you'll do is just put it on your elastic, put it in front of the elastic, and then bring it down and just make a slip knot. Put the ends through the top. And you are all done with your tutu. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have fun making your tutu like I did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe for more DIY and sewing tutorials.